Wall, floor, and rest finishing. Improve rest finishing. Even with the latest advancements in rest finishing toolpaths, machinists often still spend considerable time manually refining leftover material, especially in complex 5-axis rest finishing jobs. Now, with this new feature, you can precisely contain the toolpath within the filler boundary. Plus, you can define exactly how much overlap you want between wall and floor rest finishing passes. This not only helps to remove all excess material from the rest areas, but also ensures that there is no need for further polishing on the part. The result? Complete removal of excess material in rest areas, consistent high-quality surfaces, and virtually no need for additional polishing. Enjoy exceptional surface finish, effortless operation, and significantly shorter post-processing times.